Man, I hope I'm good enough for these 16s that I'm flipping. Bet I'm sipping on something cheap as fuck. I don't need a cup, bought a handle and it came with a handle. And I think I can handle all this shit that I drink. Pussy palette wink, but I'm not fucking with the pink styrofoam. Dissociatives might as well be high alone. I don't know what rappers do to get rich. Clueless as kids, just wish that I knew that shit. You live for bitches and blunts, we live for weed and money. But when bitch is enough, then you gon' need some money. Something green or something, or besides a pistol. If you never surpass it, mothers run out of tissues. Staying blessed, never said any less. Cannot express my inner thoughts with some pot. And you tell I live a lot in this fucking world. Fucking girls, I think I'm rather late, but there's so many fishes. Why stay home and masturbate? Have to say it, get it off my chest. With the rest of my vices, you can't buy happiness. You never check the prices, but I'm icy as the gold around they fucking necks. And I fucking bet every day the fans love them less. Just saying.
Hope I'm good enough for these 16s that I'm flipping. Bet I'm sipping on something cheap as fuck. I don't need a cup, bought a handle and it came with a handle. So I think I can handle all this shit that I drink.
All this shit that I drink, all this shit that I drink. Man, fuck this education, they don't care what I think. And my mind keeps growing, got no time for a shrink. Keep my eye on the brink, I'd rather die than just sink. And we out here acting malicious. Fuck Vic, I'm not battling bitches. Real world of actual fiction. Actually, Adam grabbed the apple and bit it, and then blamed it on the bashful biddy he was sticking. Wasn't fitting. Hope I'm good enough for these 16s that I'm flipping. Trying to write a hook without sparking an addiction. Fuck a trailer park prescription. I'm just wishing that these children never live to die. Live a lot, simply live their life with their given rights. Is it nice? I couldn't tell you. Would it mail the bell? Not a chance in hell. I cannot tell if I will prevail or will I fail. Will I keep these bars unlocked or the tables turned? I'll end up in jail. Will I be that fucking man? Will I be called underhanded? You must understand that you can never understand it. Poets flowing openly. I haven't touched the grand. Fuck the man, he ain't shit. Leave it to him to raise a bitch. Hate that shit. Fading the grain it takes for the fame. What's the name? If there's no one in the back, no one's paying. Let me explain and hope you hear exactly what I'm saying. And hear the hack of the half-ass rapper that you're playing. Think I'm playing, might slow it down to swerve into your lane. I'm deserving praise cause of all I'm working all these days. Work delayed, that's some wordplay that it hurts to say. Verbs turn to pain. What can I say? I guess it's for the fame.